Question दिया हुआ है let t1 of n, t2 of n and comma f of n be three positive functions defined as follows. The first part is t1 of n is equal to big O of f of n and t2 of n is equal to big O of f of n. Now they ask which of the following statements are true. So these statements are given. Now you have to check which of them are true or false. Okay. So first find the relationship between from these two parts. Okay. So first one is given as t1 of n. Okay. It is less than equals to c into f of n. The first part says that. Okay. And the second part says that t2 of n is less than equals to c into f of n. Okay. Now see, the first statement is given as t1 of n plus t2 of n is equal to big O of fn. So t1, if you see, t1n is less than equals to fn and t2n is less than equals to fn. If you add t1 of n and t2 of n, if you add t1 of n plus t2 of n, definitely it is less than equals to f of n. Okay, so the first one is true. Now see the second one. T1 of n is equal to big O of T2n. There is no relationship between T1 of n and T2 of n. There is a relation between T1 of n and Fn and T2 of n and Fn. Okay, so this statement is false. Now see the third one. T1 of n is equal to omega of T2 of n. There is no relationship between T1 of n and T2, so definitely this is also false. T1 of n is equal to theta of T2n, so this is also false. Okay. Now see, in the same example, if the parts are given like that, if the parts are t1 of n is equal to it, now it is not big O, it is suppose theta, okay, theta of fn, and suppose second part is t2 of n is equal to theta of f of n. Okay, they are given like that. Okay, so now you have to check which of the following statements are true. Okay, from the same question. Okay. So from first you find the relationship from these two parts. So you can say t1 of n, okay, is equals to f of n. Okay, comma, from second part you can say t2 of n is equal to fn. Okay, so t1 of n is equal to fn and t2 of n is equal to fn. So from here we can say t1 of n is equal to t2 of n is equal to f of n. Okay, these all three are equal. So if you check, okay, so suppose I write the statement A, B, C and D. Okay, so if you check for this part, okay, these statements are true or not. So if you add t1 of n plus t2 of n is equal to big O of n. So if you add t1 of n plus t2 n, definitely these are both are dominating. T1 of n and t2 of n are both are dominating. If you take any one of them and if you compare with the f of n, so definitely these are equal. Okay, and if you check t1 of n is equal to big O of t2 of n, definitely equal conditions is true. If you see t1 of n is equal to omega of t2n, so definitely equal condition is true. T1 of n is equal to theta, definitely it is equal. If the suppose the each statement is given like that, t1 of n is equal to small omega of t2 of n. Now what about this statement? Okay, what about this statement? Is it true or false? So now you have to find the relation. What is that this statement says? Okay, so it says t1 of n is greater than t2 of n. Okay, but you can say that t1 of n is greater than t2 of n or t2 of n is greater than t1 of n. Okay, both are equal, so we can say which one is greater, but they specify in a statement that t1 of n is greater than t2 of n, so definitely it is false. Okay, and similar, if there is not a small omega, if there is small o, then also the statement is false. Okay, good, thank you.